Ecclesiastes 12:9. And moreover, because the preacher was wise, he still taught the people knowledge. Yea, he gave good heed, and sought out and composed many proverbs. You know, when God gives us wisdom and gives us a word and gives us knowledge, we're meant to share it with others. And so they draw closer to Him as well. Oftentimes we're meant to, not always. Okay. Isaiah 6. One through 3. Isaiah 6, 1 through 3. Okay. In the year of the in the year that King Uzziah died, I saw the Lord sitting upon a throne, high and lifted up, and his train filled the temple. Okay, first off, he's seated down, which means God's not panicking. He's in full control. He has the power to do it, and his glory fills the temple. This is talking about how his presence is in the temple on earth, connecting with us by that way. He's high and lifted up, which means nobody ever truly ever rivals him. People may have thought they put people up on his pedestal, but he's so far high up that their even imagination of thoughts of God's aren't there. And above him stood seraphim. Each one had 6 wings. With twain he covered his face. With twain he covered his feet. With twain he did fly. Which shows that even God is so holy that the angels can't look at him face to face. You know, oftentimes we want to think, well, angels are beings that get in God's glory. And yes, they are. But we see here there's even a holiness there to where they can't physically look on God's glory. But they can't help worship him, as we see in this next verse. And one cried unto another and said, Holy, holy, holy is the Lord of hosts. God is holy. He deserves our worship. Oftentimes people want to think, well, we just worship God because of Jesus. And that's a reason to worship God. But even if God didn't send Jesus didn't die for the angels. The angels didn't need redeeming. They worship God simply who God is. And we need to understand that even if God didn't die for us, He deserves our worship. Yet because He did, He deserves it that much more. What He did allows us to worship Him fully.